Nobody talks about this phase where life looks perfect but feels empty, job sorted, routine all set, but something is missing. You're moving, not living, and then it hits you. I did not come this far just to feel tired every day because corporate life and city chaos will test you every single day. Not to feel burned out, at least in my own life, but that was exactly what was happening: corporate pressure, city chaos, and zero balance. I got ready. I'm done with my shower, and situation at the moment of skin is very bad. I do not understand what's wrong with it. Quickly gonna get ready. I am actually getting late, but vlogger inside me wanted to vlog today anyhow. So yeah, I am ready. I'm all dressed up. Some days are challenging, some days are very smooth, but every day teaches you something. Every meeting, every task, every decision adds up to growth, experience, and progress. So I'm out from my office. I just logged out a little late. The projects that I'm working currently requires a lot of studying and a lot of preparation. Somebody somewhere lied to me in my, like teenage, that if you get a job and if you study well, if you have a degree, then after getting a job, you don't need to study. That is a sarasar jhoot, because every day I'm studying and coping up with the things. But that does not mean that I do not enjoy the process. I of course do. Very sad thing happened recently, that I lost my mic case that I used to use every day. I don't know now. It's just this mic, and I've seen few videos to how to charge and all this without the case. Probably that might help. This was like one of the sad things that happened recently. Okay, so there were a few questions on how much do I spend in a month. ये तो थोड़ा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है, बट मैं ना मोटा मोटा बता देती हूँ. मेरा मेड का खर्चा नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम द मेड. ओके, आई एम द मेड, सो आई कुक बाय माई सेल्फ. दैट वाज वन ऑफ द रीजन व्हाई आई चोज टू स्टे इन फ्लैट, बिकॉज खाना जमता नहीं है बाहर का. सो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द primary reason to choose flats over PG. Otherwise PG is more comfortable. If you are new, if you are alone, please try finding for PGs. Food costs me around 3,000 maximum, and rent, travel, ये सब करके, electricity and all of that costs me around 15,000. Travel भी, it becomes cheaper because I stay very near. That was my choice to stay near, because in the very beginning, like when I came to Gurgaon and I was not very familiar with the place, I stayed 30 minutes away from the office. Okay, सुबह के टाइम इतना ज़्यादा भीड़, तुमको रैपिडो नहीं मिला, ऊबर नहीं मिला, हर चीज़ मतलब पैक. 10 बजे पहुँचना है, ठीक है, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 9. रैपिडो करो, मिल नहीं रहा है. ऊबर करो, मिल नहीं रहा है. बाइक करो, मिल नहीं रहा है. कुछ भी करो, मिलता ही नहीं था. ओके, सो आई टू ट्रैवल बाय मेट्रो. एक राउंड घूम के, जहाँ पे आधा घंटा लगना तुमको 1 घंटा लग रहा है. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट केओस मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. आई वाज लाइक, मेरे को चाहिए ही नहीं, मेरे को झंझट ही नहीं चाहिए. आई जस्ट वांट टू स्टे नियर. मैं जाऊँगी ऑफिस एनीवेज, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई एम इन द ऑफिस ओनली. सो मेरे को एक दिन का वो क्या बोलते हैं, वो all of this fancy thing देके मेरे को decide नहीं करना है, because 6 days is anyway becoming hell. Okay, traveling पे. So I just decided कि मैं ठीक है, एक दिन अगर घूमना है तो I'll go out and travel a lot, but मेरे को ऑफिस का थोड़ा डिस्टेंस कम करना है. So I choose to stay very near to my office. Because of that, I just reach अभी नो ट्रैफिक का झंझट नहीं है, जस्ट 5 मिनट आई एम गोइंग एंड कमिंग, 5-10 मिनट में पहुंच जाती हूँ. सो ट्रैवलिंग में भी मेरा इतना खर्चा नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट 1,000 या 15 टू मैक्सिमम बोलो 2,000 लग जाता है, 2,000 लग जाता है, ठीक है. सो या मेड का खर्चा नहीं है, ट्रैवलिंग का खर्चा नहीं है, सो एवरीथिंग कम्स अराउंड 15,000. आई ट्राई टू मेक इट अराउंड 15,000 बिकॉज other miscellaneous like someone's birthday and you are attending someone's wedding, or sometimes you're going out with your friends and you are shopping, sometimes all of those things you can keep 5,000. उससे ज़्यादा जाता भी नहीं है. So if you're very new to Gurgaon, if you're very new to city, please stay near. Please choose PG or flats. बाद में आना, try understanding the areas of the city that you are living in, and then you shift. I did that mistake. I directly jumped into the flat because मेरे को खाना जमता नहीं है बाहर का. पीजी में खा नहीं सकती हूँ, मैं खुद बना नहीं सकती हूँ, all of that मेरे मेड रख लूँ वो टेस्ट वही आएगा, and all of that problem was there. So I made a mistake. You don't make it. I chose flats over PG. इतना पैसा तो मेरा इतना पैसा कभी नहीं गया होगा किसी चीज़ में जितना मेरा फ्लैट में गया है, सिक्योरिटी में गया है, ठीक है. एंड रूममेट, इफ़ यू आर फाइंडिंग कोई भी रूममेट, प्लीज़ डोंट ट्रस्ट देम ब्लाइंडली. इतना पैसा चला जाएगा तुमको, मतलब जमता नहीं है, एंड देन यू जस्ट स्विच, अलग अलग हो जाते हो, एंड देन योर मनी गोज देयर. सो just stay in PG, just find right people, like compatible people, and then take a decision. ऐसे जल्दबाजी में फ्लैट के चक्कर में मत पड़ना है. It's just going to cost you a lot, and mental peace भी चला जाएगा वो भी. So yeah, just to save your money and your peace, find PG, find people, talk to them, and then decide to shift. क्योंकि बहुत very good friends are also sometimes not compatible when they live together. So yeah, that is my suggestion, and I hope I answered your questions. If you are trying to find some more detailed version of this, please do comment down below. I'm happy to help. If you are very new to Gurgaon and if you really want help, then you can just drop me your messages with your queries on LinkedIn or Instagram, wherever you find comfortable. I reply on both of the platforms. I'm always active on both of the platforms. So yeah, that is it. Let me work for a while. Oh God, extreme headache हो रहा है. Welcome back again. I'm back home. I had a very tiring day, and now I'm going to pack very soon. I'm going to take a vacation. That is, I'm going home. So I was planning कि मैं थोड़ा सा packing कर लूँ, थोड़ा करके मैं डाल लेती हूँ, because साथ में एक साथ जब होगा तो it will obviously be very chaotic. So let me bring my trolley. Let me bring back my trolley. मैंने पहले से ही थोड़ा तो शुरू कर दिया है रखना, एक दो चीजें छोटा करके, because like I don't want that last moment chaos. Although I'm that person who makes a lot of chaos in the last moment, but that is not something I'm trying to change. ये ट्रॉली तो ऑलरेडी भर गया है, मैंने पहले से स्टार्ट कर दिया था थोड़ा रखना. दिस ऑलरेडी फिल्ड, बट स्टिल आई जस्ट लाइक साइड में रख देती हूँ चीज़ें, सो दैट कि मेरे को बाद में आसानी हो जाए. बिग गर्ल थिंग्स that I'm trying to implement in my life. I've already decided what are things that I'm going to take. I've bought a lot of gifts. I feel homesick. I just feel like taking breaks, going somewhere and do nothing. 2 pair of kurtis that I've decided कि मैं ये लेके जाऊंगी. 2 pair of t-shirt and 2 pair of jeans that I'm going to take. उससे ज़्यादा तो मैं I think so I'm just going to be staying for 2 weeks or so. I just bought This lunch bags I just found very cute. मतलब बहुत क्यूट लग रहा था ये. I just wanted to give it to my friends and family so they can use it when they go to office and use it as a lunch bag.